When was the last time you actually cleaned your makeup brushes? Because mine used to be embarrassing, bacteria ridden, and filthy. I'm just sure of it. This electric makeup brush cleaner was gifted to me by the brand, and as someone who absolutely hates washing brushes by hand, I was very curious if it actually works. I used to avoid cleaning my brushes for way too long because it took forever and it felt like such a chore. But after using this thing for 5 minutes, the water coming out of my brushes was honestly disgusting. What I like the most, it actually cleans the brushes thoroughly. It spins in both directions, which helps work product out of the bristles better than I anticipated. The 5 minute deep clean mode is super convenient because you can basically let it run while you do something else. It's way less labor intensive than scrubbing every brush by hand, and there are two separate containers, so I use one for brushes and one for makeup sponges. Helpful tip, you definitely want to add soap or face wash to the water. I found that hand soap helped break down foundation way better, and the facial wash does a decent job of getting other makeup out. Couple things to know. It is a little loud while running, but it's nothing you can't get over. The instructions aren't super clear, but once you figure it out, it's super simple. The dryer function doesn't use heat, but it still helps speed up drying compared to air drying alone. Overall, I'd rather use this than wash my brushes manually any day. If you hate cleaning makeup brushes as much as I do, this honestly makes the process more manageable and probably saves money in the long run because you actually keep using your brushes instead of replacing them constantly.